If you're a customer in Noble Gold Investments, you know that one of the best things I love about our company is our relationship with our clients. They know that even if they're not going to buy, they can call us to get inputs on gold and silver and precious metals. They know we're not financial advisors, we just love gold. And we're here to provide a lot of good information about what we do in precious metals, in the physical metals market. One of the most common questions is whether or not, should I buy more gold? Should I sell some Bitcoin? What should I do? And a lot of people called in after Bitcoin had dropped below 30,000 last week. And if you're an avid YouTube watcher like me, you've seen the tornado bloggers prompting their subscribers to hold through this time or maybe buy more if they can afford it. Some are quick out there to discount Bitcoin. Societe Generale is a universal bank. They have divisions supporting French networks, global transaction banking, international retail banking, financial services, asset management, and securities. Needless to say, they know money and they know the economy. They said that Bitcoin's place in any portfolio is highly contested and still recommends that traders devote most of their attention to precious metals like gold. The report says, and I quote, "It comes as no surprise that the place of Bitcoin in any investment portfolio remains highly contested, precisely because of its erratic price movements." Elaine Bacosa and Arthur Van Sluten said in a recent interview that investors should likely follow gold more often than they follow Bitcoin. While both assets seem to have some similarities, they said that gold was a better stabilizer for one's portfolio and likely less volatile. The CEO of a gold mining company, Barrick Gold, believes cryptocurrencies can be made out of thin air, while no one can just print gold into an existence. As the CEO of Noble Gold Investments, I should be celebrating with all this hype about gold. But here's the thing. There's only a limited number of Bitcoin in circulation, and only a limited number can be mined. I think Bristow was talking about cryptocurrencies in general, but gold and cryptocurrencies, these are assets that you should consider. I think both have value. And I always talk about this. You need to diversify. Get into stocks, ETFs. You should be putting in your 401k, invest in businesses, gold. These are all things you should be spread across the map. And more importantly, talk to a financial advisor, get some advice. Don't rely solely on my videos or books to make a decision. Get a lot of good information. We're here to tell you about precious metals and alternative investments in general. I invest in cryptocurrencies, I invest in gold, stocks, all these things. So I believe in these things, but cryptocurrencies, that's my risky pile. That's my, my investment that I think can go 100x, but there's downside, there's risk. But that's my strategy, and that strategy might not apply to you. I determine what I can afford to lose, and that's how much I invest in cryptocurrency. And I determine how much the minimum is I need to survive, and that's how much I look at and I put in gold, because I know gold is a hedge. It will store the value of my money. So a lot of people say, should I swap Bitcoin for gold? It depends on you. It depends on what you're looking for. So think it over, get your information, read, watch videos, and when you're ready to learn more about what we do, alternative investments, give us a call, download our free guides, and we'd be happy to help you out.
If you're interested in investing in precious metals and you want to talk to a no-hassle representative that has experience in physical metal, give us a call. Phone number is 877-646-5347. Our phone lines are always open, and we're happy to answer any of your questions.